Okay, so we've got this pre-trained model that is very good at token prediction. Can it be used as a chatbot now? Definitely not. The base model that comes out of pre-training is only good at completing the sentence. For example, if you ask it what is the capital of France, instead of responding with Paris, it might come back with different questions like what is the capital of Germany? Because that's the next closest thing in the vector space that it knows after coming out of pre-training. Right, so it's actually just looking for patterns and not answering questions. How do we make it better then? To make it better, we use something called supervised fine-tuning, or SFT. We're essentially just teaching it an instruction following format. This is where it learns that when a human asks a question, it has to respond with an answer instead of coming back with more questions. Got it. So supervised fine-tuning teaches it how to format the response. And is that where we stop? Well, not quite. Supervised fine-tuning gets the model 90% of the way there, but to make it truly helpful and safe, we use something called RLHF, and that stands for Reinforcement Learning with Human Feedback. I know that term. Isn't that humans grading AI's output? Well, basically, so human ranks the model's output from best to worst, and that data is used to create a reward model. And then optimization algorithms are used to nudge the model to answer the questions that generate higher rewards. So this is how we stop it from being toxic and hallucinating too much. Exactly. It's the alignment phase. So it goes from predicting the next word in the sentence to actually being helpful assistant like Claude or Gemini. So just to make it useful, we had to go through the steps of collecting the raw data, filtering out the junk, tokenizing it, training it to produce the next sentence, and fine-tuning it so it can produce human-like response. Hey, you're learning. But the thing is, even after all these steps, if you ask it to solve some complex logical problem, it might trip up. Don't we need the model to actually think to solve a complex problem? Is that even possible? It is, and that's what we call reasoning models. How about we talk about that tomorrow?